It's me. Today, I'm eating my breakfast right now, and did you know the dosa joke? It came do for two and sa for sounds. Two sounds. One, when you pour the batter onto the what is it called? Plate or heat thing, and the second one when you flip it. Did you know dosa came? It's not as old as the fulka chapati, but it is almost like that. It came from the first AD. More than dosas, I like masala dosas. Can I tell you a story about the masala dosas? Earlier, they used to serve potatoes next to the dosa, but shortly after that, there was a shortage. So, they decided to add onions, but there was a problem with that. The Hindus and Jains would not eat the onions. So, the chef was very clever. He decided to take and mix the onions inside the potatoes, inside the dosas, so that the Hindus and Jains won't know when they eat that. And that gives me an idea. I love chocolate and my mother scolds me for eating too much. So, let me hide it inside my pancakes. Say we're making pancakes. What you will need is 1 cup of whole-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 2 spoons of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 egg and half a cup of milk. I like to mix my wet ingredients separately first and my dry ingredients separately first. So I'm mixing my egg with my milk with my vanilla extract first. And I'll mix my dry ingredients. First I'm going to whisk my wet ingredients. Smells like dosa. I'm going to whisk my dough. Now that both of them are mixed, I'm going to slowly add little by little my wet to my dry. Until all the lumps are gone. Otherwise you'll have a very chunky pancake. Once it's dry, the reason why you add the baking powder is so that it rises a little so your pancakes become much softer. So you want to let it rise for at least 5 to 10 minutes. Now my batter is ready. I have to start cooking. Batter is rested. I'm going to pour it in the pan. But first, let me grease it. Oopsies. Careful. It's a pretty big slice, so more butter for me. Just little spreading out it. Not too much because it will spread out also. cracking as soon as it hits the plate. Like that. I'm gonna add some chocolate chips. Let's hide it so that my mom doesn't see. Spread it evenly, otherwise it will just become a big black dirty sponge. Oops. That's okay. As far as my pancakes are ready, I don't think this is enough sugar and chocolate. So let me add more sugar. Yeah. Very loud. This one, that's my chocolate. Let's try both of them together. Big bite, but it's gonna taste delicious, I'm sure. We'll go for borrow. See you on my next adventure. Goodbye.